Welcome to the Advanced Search edition of the Art and Architecture Source Tutorials. In this tutorial, we will discuss more search techniques and limiters. When you begin searching the database, you will automatically be directed to the Advanced Search screen. Here you see Advanced Search. Professors may have specific criteria for the kind of research materials they want you to use. Here I've written up an example assignment for a discussion board. How can interior design affect people emotionally? How can components of interior design like color, space, and furniture affect human behavior? Please answer this question with support from at least one recent peer-reviewed article. To begin searching for our research resources, let's try searching 3 keywords, all connected by the capital "and." So we'll try interior design, and color, and emotion. And I've just simply taken keywords from the prompt, or words similar to the words in the prompt. We can scroll down and limit our search to full text, scholarly peer-reviewed journals. And then, because our prompt has asked for a recent peer-reviewed article, we're going to put in a date range here. So we'll start with January 2018 to January 2020. We'll search for something extremely recent. And then we will scroll down and choose articles for our document type. Now let's search. Here we've come up with one result: light's impact on color, materials, and people's preferences. This looks like it might be a good article. So we'll click on the title and we'll scroll down to the abstract. The abstract is a summary of what the article discusses. The abstract can help you see if this is the right research material for you. So you go ahead and you read the abstract, and if you decide that this isn't the article you want to use, you can go back and edit your search. So our last search had full text and scholarly peer-reviewed. Keywords: interior design, the Boolean phrase, and color and emotion. We're going to change some of our keywords. Let's try interior design and furniture and emotion. We'll also change our date range to give us a wider view. We'll start with January, and we'll have our dates span about 10 years. This isn't super recent, but fairly recent. 2010 to 2020. Now let's try searching again. This search brings up 2 results: throwing in the towel, burnout among practicing interior designers, and furniture forms and their influence on our emotional response toward interior environments. This second result sounds perfect for our prompt. When you choose the article that you would like to read, you can click on the title and open up the PDF to get your information. And you can repeat the search process by editing and changing and tweaking as many times as you'd like while trying to find the perfect resources to use. This concludes this tutorial.